I was at the mall, right? Trying on this skirt. And I said, bitch, what does it smell like? She said, I don't know. And I said, what you mean you don't know? She said, I don't know. So, took her to the Silver Ball, right? And I was like, do we have a good time? She said, I don't know. I like to shop and stuff. And I said, bitch, you ain't no nerd. I could've swore you was. So, don't talk back. Don't talk back. Don't talk back. Okay, go back. Redo that. I don't like it. Redo it.
I don't wanna.
Okay, well, let me finish.
Okay, no, I started over again. Go.
Okay, so, yeah, listen to me, bitch. So, went through a wallet, right? And I was like, bitch, who these other niggas in your wallet? Read it, okay. So I was like, bitch. Who these other niggas in your wallet? She said, I don't know. They are brothers. I said, bitch, you better.